Hello, I'm Michael Mazer, and I'm thrilled to present my innovative application, Noted4Life, to you today. Now to get started, let's make our very own Noted4Life account. We'll make the username noted@gmail.com. We'll make the password GH67QWE. And then we'll make the name my name. After signing up, you'll be taken to the home page. Here you'll be given 4 options. You may create a notebook, open your personal notebooks, look at notebooks others have published, and lastly, you may use the notepad. Let's create our first notebook. We'll call it Example. And now let's open it up. The first thing you'll see is an empty table of contents. As the size of your notebook becomes larger, so will the table of contents. To make a new page or to move to the right, you must click the arrow on the right side of the screen. Let's go back to our table of contents. From there, if there's a particular page you want to go to, you can click on it and the application will take you to it. And now let's take a look at the catalog. Here you can access notebooks others have created. When you click on someone else's notebook, a copy of it is created on your account, like so. And as you can see, we can edit the notebook. To make a notebook public, navigate back to the home screen and view your notebooks. Select the settings button next to the notebook that you want to make public. And from there, you can make it public by clicking the Make Public button. There's one more feature of Noted4Life we haven't explored yet, and that is the notepad. To make a new note, press the Add button. To hide or view your notes, press the View button. And now I'm going to show you a good example of how the notepad might be used. One habit I used to have is emailing myself reminders or important notes from class. This notepad allows me to have all my notes in one place. If I'm looking for my notes on history, I can just search for the history notes by typing history in the search bar. The notepad can be used for many things, but this is one of my favorite features of it. And now, the way I've described Noted4Life, it seems as if it can only be used for taking notes. However, Noted4Life is much more than that. You can use it to write anything that you can imagine, and with a click of a button, share it to the whole Noted4Life community. Now I will take you through my code. Here's the Python portion of my code. This portion is around 2,000 lines and is the part that is on the server end of my application. To host my application, I'm using an Amazon EC2 instance. I also have a directory called templates, which contains HTML files. The files contain the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript part of my code. About 60% of it is JavaScript. Altogether, it is around 4,000 lines, and this would be the part of the code that runs on the user's end of the application. Lastly, I use the MySQL database to store all the user's data on the server. A good visualization of this is on the screen. Here you see a database table that would store some of the user's data. In summary, Noted4Life is a versatile and indispensable addition to anyone's toolkit, ready to empower creativity and productivity across diverse domains. The journey to create this application was long and hard. One of the most important things I learned is that to be a great software engineer, you always have to be thinking outside of the box. Also, no matter how much you fail, never give up. Thank you for watching.